Okay, got a little box came in. Let's see what I bought this time. What box is this? It's not a regular box. I'm gonna make it a regular box, so if I keep cutting it, it should become a regular box. Yeah, rings. And something else. Let's get out of here quick. I ordered this a couple days ago. These are, should be knucklehead pinion buried seals. What I got over here is one from V-Twin. 40 to 53, big twin. That's a new repop. These are original. I like original better. Just happen to have a sample of where that goes right here. Goes in this knuckle motor I've been working on. Oh, there's one right there. Right there. So that's what seals the case up, seals the bearings off so the air doesn't go from flywheel cavity to the gear cavity without going through the engine breather. So on a knucklehead you need all the vacuum you get to suck the oil out of the head, so they sealed them up pretty good. But even the 45s did that too, because back in the day they thought all that should have been sealed up in there. In 54 they eliminated it. They found out it didn't need it. So anyway, these are new, old used ones. And repop one. We don't care about the repop stuff. And we got some piston rings for Hastings. 2M is Molly. These are 6482, which is for the big twin shovel head, panhead shovel. 3 7/16 plus 60, which would be standard 80-inch, in case you didn't know that. So if you got an 80-inch shovel, these are standard. Even though they use a different part number for the ring, it's the same ring. So. Alright, those should be good. Alright, there you go.